Hello everyone. If you want to protect your PDF with a passport, Adobe Acrobat make it simple using the encryption feature. First open the Adobe Acrobat from your computer, and once you land on the home page, you can either create a new page or open your prior project. In order to open your prior project, make sure to scroll down to the recent section, then tap on the project that you want. Once the PDF page open, make sure to look at the left screen where you will see different options within the All Tools section. Then move the cursors towards the Protect a PDF option given within it, then tap on it. Keep in mind that the passport encryption requires Adobe Acrobat Pro, so the free reader version does not allow you to add encryption. But if you have already subscribed and when you tap on Protect a PDF, this will open the protection option where you can use the passport to protect, and a window will appear asking you how to protect the file. You can choose from the options like viewing passport and editing passport. Make sure to select the option that you prefer, then enter your passport. It also asks you to re-enter it to confirm. After that, click apply. Then finally go to the file icon given within it. Then tap on save to save the encrypted PDF. It is a good idea to use save as if you want to keep the original unprotected version. And that's it. That's how you can encrypt and protect a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.